Check.
Check. Check.
Alex, baby, another year has come and gone by. Oh my, you really had to work hard. Alex, baby, relax and have a few drinks tonight. Sensei, baby, you're teaching classes every day. Boy, babe, and lots of privates too. Sensei, baby, relax and have a few drinks tonight. Skillfully instruct us with routines that can be torturous. Hate the kicks against the wall and fuck those push-ups with punches. Ba-doopy-doo. Alex, cutie, you do a lot for others all year. You dear, you're always willing to help. Sensei, baby, tonight's the night for you to have fun. Sensei, honey, oh my God, we're gonna deal with some fools and tools and somehow let them live. Listen, people, help the gal have a good time tonight. I wonder what some people think. They look to you like you're some kind of shrink. The funny thing about it all is you're not even close to Zane. Ba-doopy-doo. Filthy warriors, some blood's been shed at parties gone by. Oh my, we never said they were safe. Filthy warriors, let's drink and have a good time tonight. There you have it, enjoy the party royale big out. Let's make it best of all. Alex, baby, relax and have a few drinks tonight.
How about that fucking movie? Unbelievable. That's fucking unbelievable. Look at this joke.